Olympics. You know, you had 2 medals here. How would you sum up this Olympics for you? 3 events, 2 medals, first of all.
Well, it has been a great show for me. I have been shooting really well. These past, I think, 5-6 days have been amazing. I shot really well in all the qualifications. Then the final rounds were also great. So 2 bronzes and 1 fourth position. So I think I'm happy for now, but need to work even harder in the future.
Manu, you were shooting brilliantly in the 25-meter pistol. You came second in the qualification, and then when you talk about the performance here, you were at number 2 position at one point. Where do you think just missed out by a whisker where and that shoot off happened?
Well, now how you say it makes me feel bad, but I tried my best, and that's only that I can control. But that was not enough. So I need to put in more efforts and more hard work.
But talking about your, I mean, everybody knows that you shot brilliantly in all the 3 events, and a shot here and a shot there can make the difference in
Yes.
any sport, winning or
Yes.
losing. So this is where you think that sports is like what it is.
So I think I believe that all the people who have made it to the Tokyo and to the Olympics, actually to any Olympics, I think they're equal. We can't be like, okay, this one is better, or this one is world number 1, this one is world number 10. So I don't believe in all that anymore, because last time around we had so many world number 1s and 2s, but they did not make it to the finals. So I was only thinking about everyone here is the same. And it's the moment, like it's a matter of how much efforts you put in that will decide who is the champion, who is not.
बट मनु हमें याद है आज भी टोक्यो में हम सब आपको देख रहे थे, तो वहाँ पर अनफॉर्चुनेट एक इंसिडेंट हुआ, गन मैल फंक्शन हुआ. उसके बाद आप वहाँ पे आप मेडल नहीं ला पाए, फिर यहाँ पर आके 2 मेडल जीती. तो क्या वो एक वेंजियंस था कि आई मेक इट अप फॉर जो टोक्यो में छूटा ना, यहाँ डबल ट्रिपल करके आना है? क्या एक वो चीज़ कभी कहते हैं वो चीज़ दिमाग में चल रहा था कभी भी?
ट्रेनिंग तो वही सोच के करती थी कि इस बार रिग्रेट नहीं करना है, इस बार ये नहीं सोचना है कि यार फिर से मतलब 4th-5th पोजीशन पे रह गई. तो इस बार यही सोचा था, जब भी कुछ भी करती थी रूटीन्स में, एक्सरसाइज हो गया, चाहे ट्रेनिंग हो गया, चाहे टाइम पे सोना, टाइम पे उठना, कुछ भी हो गया, बस मैं हमेशा यही सोच रही थी कि इस बार ना कुछ भी मतलब पूरी कोशिश करूँगी, रिग्रेट नहीं करना. तो और एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स डालती थी कि और ज़्यादा कुछ, और ज़्यादा और मेहनत.
अब यहाँ पर मैं जैसा कि देख रहा हूँ, सिर्फ आप ही का नहीं, बाकी शूटर्स ने भी बहुत अच्छा
जी,
किया.
बिल्कुल.
आपने देखा सरबजोत आपके साथ मेडल जीते, फिर
जी.
हमने देखा स्वप्निल कुसाले, उन्होंने भी मेडल जीता. तो आपका परफॉर्मेंस तो जबरदस्त रहा है, बाकी शूटर्स ने भी बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है.
बिल्कुल
ओवरऑल
बिल्कुल.
क्या बोलेंगे शूटिंग परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में? देयर आर मोर टू कम मे बी.
डेफिनेटली मैं बोलूँगी कि काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस देखने को मिल रही है और काफ़ी एथलीट्स ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी हैं, और फाइनल्स में भी बहुत सारे लोग इस बार आए हैं, स्पेशली अर्जुन. आई फील यू. Arjun Babuta, who is 4th in his air rifle finals. I think he did a great job. It's just matter of 1-2 shots जिसमें थोड़ा इधर थोड़ा उधर की वजह से रह जाता है. And today I can feel that. So I hope कि लोग उनको तब भी सपोर्ट करें जब वो इतना अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं, ताकि वो एक्चुअली में मेंटली और स्ट्रॉन्ग होकर आगे आए और जीते मेडल.
How much of a credit you give to your coach Jaspal Rana sir, because he's been with you? We always saw when the match was going on, you sometimes you look towards him, he used to say something or the other इशारों में. So क्या हो रहा था? मतलब कि we want to always know what goes on between Guru and Shishya.
So he has been a huge pillar of support and strength for me, and our journey has been बहुत ही ऊपर नीचे, but I'm glad that we are together, and because I believe that whenever we are like together, we are stronger. So I'm grateful to have a coach like him, and I hope like many people have that kind of support that I do. That will make their journeys much easier, but like you'll have to work a lot, like you'll have to put in a lot of effort and hard work. He makes me do, like he just keeps me on my toes all the time. He's not like, he cannot be like, okay, if you feel low you can rest. I have short matches in fever. I have short matches when I'm feeling really tired, really low. I have body pain. I have so many things going on with myself, but he makes me shoot even then. And so I think it's a result of those hard times.
Who would you dedicate these 2 medals to? I mean, trying to
Honestly speaking, I cannot dedicate the medals to a single person or two people because so many people have put in hard work behind the scenes so that we can win these medals for India. The people like OGQ team has always been there by my side. Then we see the Sai has supported me throughout my career, the top scheme, and then the junior program was one thing that has actually made, because you see, as many people are here in the team today, Indian team, 90% or even more than that are a product of the junior program. So I think I also came through that, and through that only I met Jaspal sir, and through that only my career like actually peaked. So so many things, like my friends, my family, my coach Jaspal sir, and then even my own efforts and everyone's support back home, back in India. Thank you so much.